professional way of adding value to your event. Actually, people see that you don't have money. Branding yourself or branding your business, it helps to reflect professionalism. Remember, it helps to reflect professionalism. Have you ever wondered that a simple photo shoot can change everything? Join me in this video as I share with you some 4 major importance of doing photo shoots, why you must do photo shoot. If this video is helpful to you, if you want to enjoy more of content related to creativity, please kindly give me out a subscription and watch this video to the end so that you get to understand what I'm telling you or the message that I want to convey to you. Without you watching, I can't do more, and moreover, help me reach my 1,000 subscribers zone and the money zone of 4,000 watch hours. Please, I need your help. It's wasting much time. First importance of doing a simple photo shoot with Sammy's studio is that 1, it's a way of preserving memory. Remember that if you take photo shoots, if you take professional photo shoot from Sammy's studio, you are doing a good service to yourself. You are preserving your memories that your phone cannot preserve for you. Remember that at Sammy's studio, to be frank with you, it's Sammy's Media, and we have Sammy's studio as the photography branch of Sammy's Media. So if I say Sammy's Media or Sammy's studio, it still refers to the same thing. Or Sammy's film, it's still the same thing. It's totally about Sammy's Media. Alright, so if you take professional photos from Sammy's studio, your memories are being kept here, for good. Okay, provided that you meet the terms and conditions of Sammy's studio or Sammy's Media, your memories are kept here for good. Just that when you want to retrieve them, or you've lost them, you want to retrieve them, you have to pay a small token of a small fee, not something big, so that you cannot have access to them or get them back. This leads to the second point, which is passing legacy onto a generation. What legacy are you passing to your generation after you are gone? It's so sad that nowadays, when people pass away, especially the aged ones, when they pass away, it's hardly to find good photos of them to use it for their funeral flyers and other digital things and printings. It's very hard to find good images of our old parents who are alive. So I always encourage that as a child, as a son, a daughter of your parents, please try and also take photos, because they did not take those things serious, so they are unable to pass a legacy onto us when they are gone. So it's sad that after they are gone, their memories, their images are lost for good. And I can tell you bear with me that mostly after you bury your old parents, your grandfathers, if aside what they did on the flyer, there's nothing more that is left for the generation to come to remember, which is very sad. Third on the list is taking professional or simple photo shoot from Sammy's studio. Is a way of elevating or adding value to your event. Remember, using phone or relying on phone to take memories is not a professional way of adding value to your event. Actually, people see that you don't have money. I'm telling you, remember, when you rely on phones, that you give your personal phone, you give your personal phone to your friends, your family members on your wedding day to take you videos, is not a professional way, and you can't rely on that, and it doesn't add value to your event. That is why it is very important to also invest in memory capturing, because if you invest into memory capturing, it helps others to know that yes, indeed, you understand what you are doing, and therefore you are adding value to your event. The fourth point is Personal or business branding. This is very essential point that I want everybody to take note of. My dear viewers, my dear small, medium, and large scale businesses, please, if you book Psalmist Studio, you get the best of images, the quality that you need for your branding. Remember that if you do professional photo shoot or simple professional photo shoot, or whichever way, I don't know which I'm correct, the English people, please correct me at the comment section. All right, if you do a simple photo shoot as personal, as a person branding yourself or branding your business, it helps to reflect professionalism. Remember, it helps to reflect professionalism. As I said earlier, it adds values to events. Here, it also brings out about professionalism. Don't ever rely on phone images as a person who is serious, as a business who is serious to branding, who wants to brand their business very well. Phones are not the best way of doing or adding professionalism to your service. So please kindly find time, visit a studio nearby. You can contact Psalmist Studio and I'll be at your service, and then have professional photo shoot for your business and for yourself. So doing photo shoot for yourself isn't just a fun, or isn't just something that you are doing for fun, but actually you are doing a great service to yourself. If this video is very helpful to you, please kindly consider subscribing to the channel. It is Psalmist Media. Subscribe and share this video to somebody who is about to take this for granted, who is about to take their memory capturing for granted. I don't know how to put it. It's sad that people find it difficult not to value caption of their memory importance, or the value that it needed to be added onto. Okay, so to end this video, if you have any comment or question, please can leave it at the comment section, and in my next video I will continue to educate you more about creativity field or the creative industry. I'm Psalmist, your photographer, videographer, and content creator. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.